So you got little bored by learning the Swift. I can understand it purely. And in fact, this is not a course for designing apps. There will be a separate course for that, but still, I can understand your inside thoughts out there and you got little bored. So what we'll be doing just for the fun, and this is not relevant to the course because we are here to learn Swift, but still I would like to design a simple app, and will like to show you that whatever the knowledge that you have gained here is actually immensely useful in designing the app. So let's create a single view application. Click on the next, and it's gonna be a simple coffee calculator. Oops, there we go. And it's a simple coffee calculator, and let's just say it's a universal app, or maybe just an iPhone app. Not universal right now, but it's not gonna matter much. You can choose any one of them, and let's click on the next. And I would like to save it in the iOS exercise files. Let's create this, and here we go. Okay, and what I'll do, first of all, I'll be just hitting the run button because I need to run my iPhone SE simulator. So I'll just hit the run button, and it's gonna take a little bit of the time, and in the meantime we can design the logic and code out for our file. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go into actually the main storyboard, and that's gonna be here. So let's go here, and I would like to add a couple of things first of all, because I really don't like my app to be without icons and things like that. So in the meantime, the simulator is running at the background and it's gonna take a little bit of the time. Let me show you a few resources out there. So what I have done, I have actually opened up and I have got an image of the coffee which is opening up somewhere. Let me try to find it where it's opening. It's sometimes hard for me to find out things, and it's taking a little time because of the simulator. And in fact, it's taking a little bit time. Let me show you where you can get these images. So if you want a stock image, Pexels is actually a very good resource which allows you to have such great images with CC0. That means, so this is the image that I have downloaded. It has opened up finally, and I have actually created it and downloaded it into a special format, special size, and you can do it from the Pexels. It's a free resource, and it says free for personal and even commercial use, no attribution required. I do like that, but still I would like to give attribution that from where I'm downloading it, because the exposure and the shadows that you can see in the right and bottom, the exposure is so perfect here in the pics. Don't worry, I'm not gonna teach you the photography here, but still I do appreciate the good clicks out here. The images, the colors, everything is so perfect in this image. Okay, and the next problem is when we move out the things here, go here, we can see that if we go into the main storyboard or assets.xcassette, whatever it calls it, we can see that if I click on the app icon, there are lots of app icons which you have to include, which are on the 2x size, 3x size. There are lots of different size, 29 points and everything. And we will talk about it later on in our course, where we'll be learn what is HIG, the Human Interface Guideline. But in the meantime, I can show you what you can do. So here it is, and I want to go onto a website that says make app icon, and you can just give it a icon or image out there, and they do recommend in 10204 pixels, and once you give it to there, they can convert your image into all the apps. So let me show you what I got here, and there we go. This is what I got for Android, iOS. If I click on this, we can see all of the things are being available to me. Let me put it here, and let's bring it back. So it says 2x for 29 points, and the icon PNG and 2x and all of these things are available. If I go here, it's a 40 PNG, so it goes here. Oops, the 20. Okay, just wait here for a moment. And this is the 2x. I need to drag and drop it, and oops, it's taking a time. The death scroller is being out here, blue death screen scroller, and it just loads some time, but it's not captured in the screen recorder. Okay, I think we have to break this movie into the two parts because it's taking too much of the time, and we do have time limitations on every movie. surprisingly. And there we go. I just drag and drop, and it's not taking it here because it's still scrolling out there. Okay, so not taking anything yet, and we can see finally it has taken one image. Lovely. Still little bit of the lags. Okay, let me just copy all of these out there so that whatever it needs to take, it can take. I'll just drag and drop everything out here. My wheel is still scrolling, which is not gonna come into the capture screen this screencast. And let's wait because my simulator is making things slow. Okay, so finally the simulator is running and the coffee calculator is here. And there we go. We do have some things here. Okay, so it's gonna take a little bit of the time. It's consuming a lot of memory and I'm already running out of the memory. Okay, so you need to be patient. This is how the actual development goes on, and you will see this quite a lot in iOS 10 course. The real-time development. How do the programmers get their immense patience? This is good. Okay, so let me just stop this simulator for a moment and run this app again. And we can see at the top here it's taking a little bit of the time. Okay, so this time the app is running and it is not going to say anything because we haven't coded anything into it. Okay, please don't do this. And let's bring this guy back. Try to copy and paste everything out there. And let me just put you onto another screen so that you can give me a little room. And app icons. What do we missing here? So we have a lot of options here. And we have just 72s, and we have an icon PNG, which is gonna be here. We do have iTunes artworks and everything's like that, and it's not taking my 43x image. Okay, now it's taking. Okay, there you go. Okay, you are taking a lot of things. You are just working as a good guys out there. 76. We do have 60. No, we don't have. Yes, we have 60. And there we go. We do have some 2x and 3x images for here, so it's not being available for the size of 29 PTs. Okay, no problem. I don't actually complain about these. And we do have some of the retina displays. An icon is being placed, and let's just have this. So let me just go here. Okay, this is good. 2x. Do we have something for 3x? I guess so. Yes, we have. So it's looking good. And there we go. Okay, so the images part is okay. We do have some icon images for the iPhone spotlights. We do have some for iPhone app and spotlight and settings. So we don't have anything for here. Okay, now you have idea because we are just into this app, and let's also design our front end part for this course or for this video. I would like to change my iPhone size from 6s to my SE. So there we go. I can change it from here. Let's go back here and let's drag and drop a couple of things. So first of all, I'll just search for the label, and there we go. I would like to add a label here, and the label is gonna be at the top. It's gonna say just big CCs for the coffee calculator. And I would like to make it a little bit bigger, and I would like to make it into the center. The font is gonna be very big. It's gonna say like that. And the color, what should we choose? Blue? Not good. This one is okay, a little bit darker. Okay, and now what we need, so we are designing a simple app of the coffee calculator. What it does, it simply takes an input from the user and multiplies it with some number and displays the text output out there. So very simple, nothing extraordinary here. So we do need a couple of more labels as well. In fact, this is going to be our output label. So I'm going to place it somewhere here, and I'm going to say output, not the output, but yes, output is also a good name. We need a text box as well. There we go, our text field, where we'll be taking input from the user. We won't be displaying any message to the user because this is just a test app. And I do need some buttons as well. And there we go. Our button is gonna say click, just like that. Very funny. Okay. So this is the thing that we have done so far, and I think we should write the logic of this app in the next one because it's already over 10 minutes and I think we should move on to the next one.